Is your stock oil pan killing your engine? Today, we'll show you this GMC Sierra 1500 3.0 Duramax and why upgrading to a PPE engine oil pan is a well-needed upgrade to protect your engine. This is what it looks like after we try to drain all the oil from this truck during an oil change. This truck only has 410 miles on it. When we removed the stock oil pan, we were shocked by what we found. Notice how the stock pan doesn't drain all the oil, leaving behind sludge and contaminants, including metal shavings. This poor design leads to engine damage and failure by allowing these contaminants to circulate throughout the whole oil system, damaging the internals of your engine. For example, this crank and camshaft that have been scuffed by contaminants. Even with a fresh oil change, your engine suffers severely because your stock pan retains the most harmful contaminants in this sludge. Now, let's look at the PPE engine oil pan. This pan is made from a high-grade, robust, heat-treated aluminum. The cooling and thermal performance is greatly increased thanks to the switch to the precision cast aluminum, increased oil capacity, and the outer machined grooves. Our PPE pan allows for complete drain out thanks to its superior design. Plus, the billet stainless steel drain plug is equipped with a powerful high-temperature rated neodymium magnet to catch any metals in between oil changes that will damage your engine. And with a limited lifetime warranty, you can trust that this upgrade is built to last. Don't wait until it's too late. Upgrade to the PPE engine oil pan today and give your engine the protection it deserves.